Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Now select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing and Default Print Service. Finally, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, disable this one first thanks to this switcher. Go back. Tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!